Now, it said in one of these magazines too, I can't remember because I'm subscribing to all of them, but it said that you would date a fan. Would you date a fan? Yes.
We hope that the person we do date is like our biggest fan, you know, that they're on the side of stage rocking out and singing and dancing.
And what do you look for in a woman? What are you looking for?
She needs to be at least 12 feet tall. No, I'm joking. Someone who can definitely handle our busy schedule, knowing that even if we don't like call or text until like 3 o'clock in the morning, because that's the first time we get off, or you know we're able to call, it doesn't mean we didn't think about you like all day long, you know. So.
Or they were with somebody else. But anyway.
Our mom.
Joe, what?
Oh, she has to be, I would say, well, it helps if like she can like fly somewhere to see you and like go to concerts, and she likes roller coasters. That's a good one.
Yeah, she might have to have her own talk show called Ellen.
Yeah.
That's a good one. What about you, Nick?
I think I agree. You know, understanding is really important, and also just someone who's intellectual is good. You have deep conversations.
I will be doing the interviewing process for you a little later on today. I'm going to find you somebody, each one of you.